Hello, today I'm going to show you how to renew some PVC fitting. I ran out of 2" to 1.5", so I'm going to reuse this same fitting. I'm going to show you how to remove this, and I cut that evenly, I don't know why, but I'm going to show you how to remove all those and reuse it. All you need is a heating gun or a hair dryer. Some plumber, they also use a torch. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Just heat it up. It's just glue, so that's how you do it. Actually, you know what? Easier? Buy yourself a new one. But sometimes you don't have time to run into a store, but that's how you it's not that expensive, but it's just a trick on how to remove it. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.